Good afternoon and welcome to a field, a rainy field on a rainy Friday. Just thought I'd make a quick video about something I thought of. Don't worry, there is relevance to this whole thing. I have one of these, you see, a sun shield that you put up on your windscreen when you park outside or whatever. And I've had that one there for about 5 years, and unfortunately it's all started to sag and go funny, and it doesn't actually hold up properly anymore. You know, normally you tuck it up under this thing and it sits there, but nowadays it just falls out. It's so saggy and it just falls out and falls on the seat, and then it doesn't actually do anything useful. So I decided to try and fix it, and I came up with this idea. You put these suction cups on it. I had these lying around. I bought them for something else, but they didn't work. I got these, they had that hole there where the thread goes through. They had hooks in them. The idea was you could stick them on your wall or something and hang things up, but they never actually worked for that. Even on very smooth paint they wouldn't stick, and they just fell off. So I didn't have any use for them, and then I saw this and thought that'll work. So I took the hooks out. They just go through that hole, you just slide them out, and then I sewed them onto the edge of the sun shield thing with this cord here, which is, let me just have a look. So this stuff here I got from eBay at some point a few years ago. Can't remember when exactly. It's just kind of black nylon cord. It's I think about 1 millimeter diameter, maybe a little less. I bought this actually to repair a radio with a dial cord snapped, and actual dial cord is quite expensive, but this stuff was very cheap, and it was thin enough that it worked, and it was textured enough that it gripped well onto all the little pulleys and everything inside the mechanism, and it actually worked really well as a replacement cord. And I don't know, it only cost me like a few dollars for a giant reel of it. So yeah, that was great. And I used that. I could have used, I suppose, like regular cotton or something, but it's a lot thinner, and you'd probably have to put many loops through to give it enough strength. I just put about 6 through this, and it seems to hold on really well, and it actually seems to work quite good. And so if I just figure out how to get this around here, sorry for the noise, it's probably really noisy, but should have had this up the other way. But there we go. Hard doing this with one hand too. So if I just get that in there, and then I just position it up on the window as you do, and you just stick these onto that, and let's see, it works pretty well actually. And you can see, me, or you can see my camera in front of my face, so you can't really see me, but never mind. It works quite well. Sticks on there quite good, and now it doesn't sag down and fall off all the time. And these little suction cup things seem to work pretty good. They hold on even when it's really hot. Yesterday it was like 30 degrees, and they were totally fine. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Now everything makes sense. And yeah, so if you got one of these sunshades that is old and worn and falling off, you could possibly fix it using little suction cups, which you can probably get at just about anywhere. I got these at Bunnings, but you can probably get them at like dollar stores and stuff as well, or whatever. So yeah, that's just something interesting, I suppose. What else is there to say? Not a lot. So far I've only had it going like this for about a few days, but they seem to be reliable, and to take them off, they've just got these little sort of tag things in the top corner there, and you just pull that and it just falls straight off. So it goes on very easily and it comes off very easily. Certainly cheaper than buying a whole new shade, because yeah, these suction cups are only like $3.50 for 4 of them or something, and the shade cost a lot more than that. So there we go. Yeah, that's let's see if I can, wonder if I can somehow see myself in the mirror. Anyway, so that's interesting. You can't really see me anyway, but you can see the car park, and I'm just hiding in the background. And yes, anyway, so that's fun. Hopefully that's amusing and interesting and maybe useful at some point, and so I'll see you next time.